Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TEUM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I'd encourage you to go to that link right there, and I'll explain in more detail. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. In my mind right now, and just approaching this with the KISS method, keep it simple, stupid, there's two main areas that really stand out that I think a lot of people are going to be watching. And that's important because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. So that's why I want to mainly focus on these couple of areas. So the first level to keep an eye on, and again, like I said, a lot of people, oops, let me put that in the wrong spot of the chart. Let's bring that back up here. Right here at the 50-cent mark. Nothing fancy, nothing complicated behind this at all, other than the fact of that is right where the downwards bleeding stopped this opening 30 minutes. Then there's been a couple other instances where the price has gotten right down around that area. But there's going to be a lot of people watching that level. And while nothing's guaranteed, my core point here is this. It's a more than valid, it's a more than plausible thought process to have that, if the price works its way to 50 and then breaks down below it, that break in and of itself could create quite a bit of downward selling pressure. Again, not guaranteed to happen, but definitely a more than valid and logical thought to have. On the flip side of things, if the price decides it wants to start to bounce it back upwards, the level that all sorts of breakout players are going to be watching is right here at 55 cents. I mean, you can see several times today the price, when it did bounce upwards, continue to get rejected right at that area. So once again, same exact logic. Nothing's guaranteed, but it's definitely more than plausible, more than logical to think that if the price is able to work its way back up to 55 and then get the break of that area, that could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So those are definitely the two key areas to watch. Again, 50 cents, key level of support, 55 cents, key level of resistance. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.